Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency pair on TradingView. First, open the app and tap on the chart icon at the bottom right. Once you're on the chart screen, tap on the current default currency pair symbol at the bottom right. This will open a search bar where you can look for another currency pair. For this example, let's search for US dollar to pound sterling. Once you find it in the results, tap to select it. The chart will then update to display the new currency pair. You can also change the date range by tapping on the 1D, 1 day, option at the bottom. From there, you can select different time frames like 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even seconds, such as 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on your preference. Other options include 1 week, 1 hour, and more. Just tap to switch, and the chart will update accordingly. It's a very easy and straightforward process. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe.